What comes to mind when one thinks of aesthetic medicine in the Philippines? One name invariably transcends the conversation: Dr. Vicki Belo, born January 25, 1957. Dr. Belo is the Filipino visionary who pioneered the medical aesthetics industry, morphing it into a celebrated practice in a nation where the concept was practically non-existent. A multi-awarded and celebrated doctor, entrepreneur, philanthropist, and media personality, Dr. Belo has transformed aesthetic medicine, making it an integral part of the lives of millions. Dr. Belo inspires a new vision of aesthetic enhancement, making beauty an inclusive, attainable aspiration for all. Dr. Vicki Belo embraced the belief that beauty should not be the exclusive domain of those born with good genes. She has worked relentlessly to democratize beauty. This started with conducting countless lectures, both to intimate gatherings and expansive audiences. This comes with the conviction that an educated individual is more likely to embrace dermatological and cosmetic procedures. Dr. Belo has brought dermatology out of the clinical environment and integrated it into everyday conversation. Her casual, relatable approach using simple words and analogies to explain complex procedures has proven beneficial. As a result, this has made the concept of aesthetic enhancement not only accessible, but aspirational to regular Filipinos. Her tireless efforts have significantly altered the perception of cosmetic surgery and dermatology in the Philippines. Dr. Belo transformed a once medical topic into a casual conversation among friends, making Belo a household name and symbolizing the desire for aesthetic enhancement. Belo is no longer just a name. It has even transformed into a verb, epitomizing the desire to enhance one's aesthetic appeal. Dr. Belo's educational journey is as diverse as her expertise. She earned a Bachelor of Science in Psychology from the University of the Philippines, Diliman, before embarking on a journey in medicine at the University of Santo Tomas. She further refined her specialization with a dermatology diploma from the Institute of Dermatology in Bangkok, Thailand. A fervent believer in continuous learning, Dr. Belo has traversed the globe, acquiring skills and knowledge from renowned institutions like Harvard for dermatologic and laser surgery, and learning from industry pioneers like Dr. Jeffrey Klein in California for tumescent liposuction. Dr. Belo and her Belo Medical Group are credited for introducing a plethora of medical aesthetics technologies to the Philippines. Beginning her practice in 1990, Dr. Belo transformed the aesthetic landscape by introducing treatments such as the first CO2 laser for dermatology, tumescent liposuction, the first neuromodulator Botox, the first use of fillers for soft tissue augmentation, the first laser hair removal device, PRP embedded threads, and the use of exosomes in dermatology. From fractional resurfacing laser to the first RF-assisted facial liposuction, her contributions have rendered her a maestro of aesthetic symphony, enriching the beauty domain with her unique, groundbreaking innovations. Dr. Belo is an esteemed speaker and guest lecturer at numerous international forums, sharing her extensive knowledge at platforms such as the International Society of Cosmetic Laser Surgeons in Washington, D.C., and the American Society of Dermatologic Surgery in Portland, Oregon. Her extensive associations, including memberships with the American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine and the International Society of Dermatologic Surgery, underline her respected standing in the global medical community. Today, as the founder, president, and medical director of Belo Medical Group, and CEO of the multifaceted Belo Group of companies, Dr. Belo oversees an aesthetic empire on its illustrious 34th year, operating 14 internationally accredited clinics across the Philippines. The group is home to a meticulous team of 60 doctors, each having undergone the rigorous training program inherent to the Belo Group's reputation in medical aesthetics. Dr. Belo's esteemed clientele stretches across borders, drawn to her innovative techniques thru and the unique aesthetics inspired by various global beauty philosophies. Her company's vision is twofold: to enhance natural beauty, promote self-confidence, and inspire individuals to live their best lives, and to elevate the Philippines as the beauty hub of Asia by synergizing the fast, innovative attitude of the U.S. with the subtle, quality-driven approach of Europe and the unique aesthetics of South Korea, Brazil, and Japan. Dr. Belo is sculpting a global aesthetic narrative. Beyond her medical prowess, Dr. Belo's philanthropic spirit is evident through her family's adoption of organizations like the Right Start Foundation for Underprivileged Children, World Vision, and Moved, showcasing a deep commitment to giving back to the community and uplifting the lives of the less fortunate. As a television and social media personality, she extends her influence and expertise to a wider audience, embodying beauty and intelligence, and inspiring millions to embrace their unique aesthetic identity. She is also a stalwart proponent of Philippine medical tourism, reflecting her passion for her nation's growth in the medical field. Dr. Belo is married to Dr. Hayden Ko Jr. and is a proud mother to 3 children. Director Cork Henners, entrepreneur Christelle Hennerspitt, and social media star Scarlett Snow Belo. Dr. Victoria Belo is not just a pioneer, she is the architect of aesthetic democracy. Her journey from a dedicated doctor to a global aesthetic revolutionary symbolizes a relentless pursuit of knowledge, a commitment to enhancing beauty, and a passion for sharing it with the world. By reshaping perceptions, breaking barriers, and democratizing beauty. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.